bubbling. Hello, hello. Today, I found this on All Recipes from Nicole. They got a great bunch of stuff. Anyway, this is called Peach Cobbler Dump Cake. How this works, I'll never figure it out, but we're going to find out. Turn that on. We're going to set the oven to 375 to preheat. This will be a great dish. Got a 9x13 dish. Great dish for going over to the neighbors for barbecue. A little potluck dish. So, can of peaches. Dump them in with the juice. Second can of peaches. Dump them in with the juice. Third can. Peaches. Drain the juice. Okay. Sticky. Okay. Cake mix. I have super moist French vanilla. Sprinkle this on top. I don't know how this is going to work. She swears it does, so we're going to see. Spread this mix all around. Don't walk away. This is quick. Okie dokie. Smoky. Butter. Not soft, but not hard. Not soft. There's no real measurement on this. So I got half a pound. I guess you can put on as much as you want. Eesh. 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 Just gonna slice it, place it on. Slice it. It might be a little too soft, but it's fine. We'll figure it out. Oop. Butter. 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 It's like butter. That's it. That's all we're doing. Woohoo, almost. Cake batter, peach and peach juice. And that goes in. Don't have to mix it, nothing. 375 for 45 to 50 minutes or until it's bubbling golden. So we'll come back and check that out. How does that work? It's bubbling. Okay, guys, we're back. I don't know how this worked, but it did, as far as I could tell. I thought there was going to be too much juice, but let's give her a look at that. Oh man, it's got a nice crust on the sides. So going to have too much. Let's see if that get that nice melting action going. A little river of vanilla. That was peach cobbler dump cake. From Nicole McLaughlin, all recipes, check her out. She doesn't need my help. Okay. Wow. For that 5-minute fix, excellent. You get that peach flavor, obviously, and the cake flavor, but you get this salty taste to it, like from the butter. Wow, that's it for this week, guys. Hope you have a good weekend. If you haven't already, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps us out a lot. We're just growing, and the more I grow, the more we can get out there for you. Like, comment down below if you've got a quick dessert or a dessert you'd like me to try, something delicious. And we'll see you next week.